This is a quick shout out video to a particular young man who is doing so well at the moment, and I want to share a little bit about his story and the power of belief and intention and what that can do for you. So he will remain anonymous, but he's very close to our whānau. So he had essentially been couch surfing for a long time, and he came and stayed with us probably about 3 weeks ago. So before then he'd been just couch surfing for a long time, very lost, no job, no car, essentially no hopes, really struggling, and now he's on his feet. He's got accommodation, he's got a car, he's got a job. He's rung me yesterday afternoon after he'd finished work. He's driving home in his work car, and he just could not believe how things had changed for him in such a short space of time. So when he came and stayed with us, we have always said, our place is a safe space. You can come, you can stay as long as you need. The only thing that we need you doing is doing things with intention, mate, to get yourself going, get yourself on your feet. You've got the capabilities, you've got the skills, you can do it. And we're happy to help you and hold your hand through that process, but you can't just come here and stay, do nothing, be a bit of a bum, and then ship out again. So he did that, he committed to doing that, and within the space of like 3 days, he landed safe, secure accommodation, he landed a job, he did a bunch of training, online training that we set him up to do, and his job came with a car as well. And he's rung me yesterday and said, I'm also ringing to tell you that I won't be at Christmas this year. And I said, okay, why is that? And he said, well, work has offered me a shift, and he's gonna make more money in that single day than most people probably make in a week, and some people probably make in 2 weeks. And I said, mate, you are on a roll at the moment. Don't worry about Christmas. Go and chase the money, get that sorted, put it away, parlay that, roll that into the next thing that you're going to do, the next part of your journey. So he's really excited about that. And I recently found out he had intentionally been avoiding coming to stay at our house and had instead been preferring to stay at other places because he knew under our roof we would hold him accountable to doing these things that he needed to do to get himself sorted as a young man, which I thought was really interesting. And it's a case of self-sabotage, in avoiding the work that you want to do. So I'm so stoked that he came, he did it, he came, he saw, he conquered, and he's doing so well at the moment. So yeah, awesome little story to share behind that. He's doing great, and if things keep developing, I might do a little update in a few weeks, maybe after Christmas.